Hey, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make website secure on Squarespace. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here on Squarespace, click on the Create Account option in the upper right corner. And from here, you can continue with your Google account, or you can continue with your working or business email, or you might want to click on the more options. So you can continue with Apple, your Facebook, and just follow the on-screen instructions, and you are all set. Now, once you are here, securing your website on Squarespace involves several steps to protect both your website and your visitors' data. Now, here's how to make sure your Squarespace website is secure, all right? Now, all you're gonna do, if you're not here on your main dashboard, you might want to choose the website that you are going to work on, or the website that you are going to make it safe to protect both your website and your, obviously, visitors' data. Now, let's click on this one right here. And when you click on that, you will be directed to the developers tool. Now from here, as you can see, all you're gonna do is activate this option, because when you click on the secure or the preferred mode by Squarespace, you would have the search engines will index the secure version of your site. Now visitors accessing the insecure version will be automatically directed to the secure version. All right. Now, if you click on this one, what will happen is setting your site to insecure disables HSTS, and recent visitors will be blocked from your site until their HSTS policy to this website expires, which can take up to 72 hours. We're not gonna do that. We'll just stay here in the secure, and from here, all you're gonna do is click on active. Right now, remember that Squarespace automatically provides SSL, which is Secure Sockets Layer certificates for all websites, ensuring that your website uses HTTPS or Hypertext Transfer Protocol secure. Now, this encrypts data transmitted between your website and your visitors, making it more secure. Now, in this case, you can verify this by checking that your website starts with an HTTPS, right, instead of HTTP. And I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.